Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a Christmas lower third inside Filmora 13 using Christmas stickers and title. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. To create Christmas lower third, first go to the stickers and under sticker folder you will get Christmas folder. And here you will get lots of stickers to create lower third. You can use multiple stickers or you can use single sticker. Drop sticker which suits best for lower third on track 2 and make it 6 seconds long. Then place the playhead at start and change scale to 60 and take it out of the frame towards the left side and on position keyframe. Then at the end remove minus from X value and now you will get left to right movement of Santa on bike. Now go to the titles and here also you will get lots of Christmas option with lots of amazing pre-made templates. Just change text and good to go. But to create a lower third we will use default title or a simple title with no background video. Drop the title on track 1. Now choose the position where you want your text to start revealing. Place the playhead at that point and place the title at playhead position. Now change the text to any text you want to place and change the font size accordingly. Then select subtitle and replace the text. By scrolling down you can use transform section to adjust the text position. Now check the lower third. If you feel text is appearing before the center, select your text, go to the animation and select typewriter animation and adjust the duration of animation. Now check the lower third again and if required adjust the animation duration. Then select the subtitle and go to the animation and select typewriter and adjust the animation duration. And once you get all the animation at right duration, select both the clip and create a compound clip. Then shift clip to track 2. Then import your video and place it on track 1. Then select the compound clip. Place the playhead at 15 or 18 frames and change scale to 50% or according to the need. Then adjust the position and place the clip on the edge of left side. Now when you play your clip you will get a custom made lower third. If you feel text is not at right place, adjust the compound clip position and you will get your lower third. Now the best part is you can change the sticker by entering in compound clip. Go to the stickers, hold Alt key on your keyboard and replace the current sticker with new one. Then adjust the text position with the adjustment of animation duration. And a new lower third is ready. That's simple to create a Christmas custom lower third inside Filmora 13. So what you are waiting for? Download Filmora 13 and create amazing things inside Filmora. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.